Hello students, in last video we have covered all the concepts to solve the questions. First was substitution method, second was elimination method, and we have done cross multiplication method, and we have done graphical method to solve the equations. So today I am going to explain how many types of lines, and from these lines how many solutions you will be getting, and it is part 5 for pair of linear equations. See, chapter name is pair of linear equations in two variables. It is part 5, and now I am telling you how many lines you will be getting with the solution, in the solution, and how many answers, how many solutions you will be getting from given equations. Like first type is like we have, for example, I have written two equations like x minus 2y is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. Now for this question, equation number 1, x minus 2y is equal to 0, so value of a1 is 1 and value of b1 is minus 2. Now from this equation, value of a2, coefficient of x, that is 3, and value of b2, that is coefficient of y, is 4, and value of c2 is minus 20. If we have a1 upon a2, so what is the value of a1 upon a2? 1 upon 3 will be coming from these equations, and you will compare with b1 upon b2. b1 upon b2 will be 1 upon minus 1 upon 2. So here if we are getting a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, so these lines are intersecting lines, and intersecting lines, it means one or unique solution we will have. In these types of lines, if we are getting a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, these are intersecting lines, and in intersecting lines we have one solution. That will be answer for these equations. Now second type is, here we have taken other equations, that is 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. Second is 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0. Here you will compare a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, and c1 upon c2. So what is the value of a1? That is 2, b1 is plus 3, and c1 is 9. Then here value of a2 is 4, b2 is 6, and c2 is minus 18, or if you are taking this side then it will be plus 18. So it is up to you. So if we are taking a1 upon a2, so a1 upon a2 will be 2 upon 4, that is 1 upon 2. b1 upon b2, that is 3 upon 6, it will be 1 upon 2. c1 upon c2, that is minus 9 upon minus 18, it will be cancelled, then it will be coming 1 upon 2. So all values are coming, all ratios are coming equal. So a1 upon a2, in this case a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2 we are getting. So these lines are called coincident lines. In coincident lines, we are having infinitely many solutions. Remember it, in this type of condition, we have coincident lines. It means we have infinitely many solutions. Next type is, now we have taken other equations. For example, x plus 2y plus minus 4 is equal to 0, and 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. From equation number 1, we are having value of a1, that is coefficient of x is 1, b1 is coefficient of y is plus 2, c1 that is constant, that is minus 4, and a2 coefficient of x from equation number 2, that is 2, b2 coefficient of y from equation number 2, that is 4, and c2 is minus 12. Now you will find the ratio of a1 upon a2, that is 1 upon 2. Find the ratio of b1 upon b2, that is 2 upon 4. It will be cancelled by 2 and it will be coming 1 upon 2. So these are equal in the ratio. Now you will compare with c1 upon c2, to minus 4 upon minus 12. it will be coming 1 upon 3. So we can say a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. In this type of condition we have parallel lines, and when we have parallel lines we will not having any solution, no solution will be coming. So we have three types of lines. You will see the coefficients of equation number 1 and 2 like this. We have in this type of condition a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So you have intersecting lines, one solution or unique solution will be here. In these types of conditions, like if you have all the ratios are equal, then a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2 is coming, then these are coincident lines, and here we have infinitely many solutions. And type 3, here we have compared a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is coming, but it is not equal to c1 upon c2. Here we have parallel lines, and in parallel lines we don't have any solution because here we are not having any intersecting point. So we have no solution. So these are three types of lines, and by this concept you will solve the equations. If you have any intersecting line, this condition, then you will solve the equation, and this condition, then also you can solve the equation. But in this case you will not have any solution, so you can't solve these types of equations. So we have covered this concept. Next concept we will follow in next video. Thank you.